In this video, we will go through who we are and what do we do. Blue Diamond Design is a Canadian design and drafting company. We formed in 1986 and have been doing ASME code design work for the last 15 years. Our main design services include vertical vessels, horizontal vessels, small fittings, heater coils, and fire tubes. We can also assist in repair and alterations to existing vessels. To manufacture pressurized equipment in Canada, a CRN is required. First, it needs to be registered in the province of manufacture. Then, each additional province can be added after that. Or, a Canadian-wide application can be made. Each province has their own safety regulations legislation and special requirements have to be met. This process can take up to 2 to 3 months to complete. We also provide design calculations and drawings for ASME code construction anywhere in the world. Many shops do not have an in-house drafting or engineering staff. Blue Diamond Design provides a contract service to design, draft, and register any pressurized equipment. We lower companies' overhead via only being hired when there is a job to be done, while providing a high level of expertise and experience. Even if there are in-house personnel available, occasional overload situations may require our assistance until the rush is over. Blue Diamond Design is also a source of knowledge for staff when situations occur outside their range of experience, and then we can be consulted to offer solutions based on our years of exposure to the manufacturing industry. We use state-of-the-art CAD software and vessel design software. This allows consistency and ease of transfer of documents. At the end of each job, the electronic copies of drawings and calculations are available for the client. Blue Diamond Design is pioneering the way in regards to generic and universal designs for manufacturing shops to use. A universal design means that it includes all allowable options to be registered. Then, shop drawings can be created without having to go through the registration process again. Simply put, you can use the same CRN to build multiple vessels with various nozzle sizes and configurations. This method is very popular because of the time and expense it saves. It also allows the manufacturer to begin fabrication immediately after a job is awarded, which improves the delivery schedule. The cost of the CRN can also be amortized over numerous projects. Another benefit of generic designs is the Alberta Boiler Safety Authority, known as ABSA, also appreciates the universal designs because they're not being overwhelmed by multiple vessels with only minor design changes that have to be individually registered. The safety codes officers in the shops also become familiar with the designs and appreciate the consistency. Blue Diamond Design has an extensive library of these generic designs that can be prepared quickly so that registration to the manufacturer can be begun as soon as possible. Heater coils from 1 inch to 8 inch diameter have been pre-registered in Alberta, British Columbia, and Saskatchewan, and can be purchased immediately and used. We prove the permission to build letter, and the safety codes officers will allow the coils to be built right away. There are also a few diameters of pressure vessel that are also pre-registered and may be purchased for jobs with a very tight timeline. With our years of experience providing services to numerous different shops with a variety of specialties, we are also in a unique position to provide services for a wide variety of custom-style vessels. This includes custom-style vessels such as separators, boilers, oil treaters, filters, free water knockouts, flare stacks, desanders, glycol contactors, pig receivers, instrument cages, heavy wall vessels, and stainless steel vessels. All nozzles have a minimum distance that they must be apart. Our designs provide a chart that lists the minimum distance apart for any combination of two connections. These are called cluster calculations. Should the nozzles need to be very close together, then additional reinforcement may be required, such as repads or the use of heavy barrel forgings. We supply calculations and drawings for vessel repairs and alterations as part of the repair procedure. This means vessels can be repurposed to meet current requirements. Here's a before and after picture of a recent transformation. The pressure vessel modifications procedure starts with the ultrasonic metal thickness survey of the vessel, which includes nozzle necks, heads, and shells. This ensures the vessel has sufficient integrity and if not, areas can be flagged for repair. Then, the existing vessel is drafted showing weld fillet sizes, all nozzles, legs, skirts, etc. Then the proposed changes are added. Then, drawings and calculations are provided on all nozzles and submitted to ABSA Design Survey. Once the design is approved, then the fabricator can align with the local ABSA inspector and proceed with the modifications as per the approved drawings and procedures. Some other areas we specialize in include custom designs for low and high temperature and pressure, head and shell minimum thickness calculations, Zik saddle analysis, wind load and earthquake load, weld reinforcement calculations for repairs and modifications, assistance while you're quoting your customer, troubleshooting when something goes wrong and a code-approved solution is required, incremental volume charts for production tanks at 1 centimeter increments in cubic meters or barrels. And of course, we can answer any code questions in-house personnel may have. We also provide assistance to new shops that are going through their first ABSA audit, as well as shops who have been doing it for years. A vessel or fitting is needed for the shop to test their QC program, and ABSA does an audit every step of the way before they can become an approved shop and be issued an AQP number. We provide a simple drawing and calculations for this purpose, and are sent in for registration. Having someone who is experienced with audits like this is invaluable. This first phase will set the standard for future projects and ensure that the code is always met and that there are no QC or design problems to deal with. Our years of experience can help you pave the way to a trouble-free project. In summary, we provide a high level of experience and expertise in pressure vessel design and can save you money with generic designs, as well as overhead relating to the cost of in-house pressure vessel designers. Keep us in mind for the ASME code pressure vessel work that you require. We are your CRN partner for ASME code success. Any questions? Please let us know.